For this project, you need a fabric, zipper, measuring tape, pins, scissors, thread, and interfacing. Check out the link in the description box for the trouser pattern I used for this project. It is very easy and beginner friendly. Once you've prepped your pattern pieces, place it on your fabric and cut out your fabric. To begin, we're going to sew the front darts and the back darts on the legs. The next step is to sew the pockets. Place the right side of the pocket facing on the right side of one of the front legs and pin and sew 1 inch along the curve. Once you're done with that, make an understitching and press with an iron. To complete the pockets, place the right side of the second pocket piece on the right side of the pocket facing and sew together. To continue, finish up the raw edges of your inseam and the trouser fly with a zigzag stitch or with a serger. Place the front piece right sides facing each other and mark 2.1 inch apart, starting a little bit above the curve of the inseam, and sew between the 2 points. Make notches at both points to open it up, but be careful not to cut into your seam that you just made. Place a fly on the left side and pin. Sew by the seam allowance you left, and the seam should end at the last point of the seam you just made. Once you're done with that, it's time to attach the zipper. Open up the zipper and place on the right side of the fly, making sure that the teeth of the zipper is close to the seam line, and pin this down and sew. Press the fly in, and this is how it should look when you are done. Press the zipper seam on the right side. Just like that, just press it down. And then place the edge of that seam on the other side of the zipper and pin it down. You can sew this from the top or from the inside. I chose to sew it from the inside. Next, place a second fly on the right side of the trouser and join together by sewing on the same seam you created when you just attached the zipper. To complete this fly section, pin the fly on the left side away. And draw this line on the front. Sew the fly down following the outline you just made of the simple trouser. To continue, sew the remaining portion of the front inseam and then sew the inseam at the back and join that. Next, place the front and the back right sides facing each other and connect from the crotch seam. Pin along the inner legs as well as the side seams and sew by 1/2 inch or by the amount of seam allowance you left. I decided to use an inner waistband for this project, which is 34 inches long and 2 inches wide. Finish up the raw edges of the waistband with a zigzag stitch and it's ready to be attached to the trouser. Pin around the trouser starting from the center back and make your way around. When you get to the zipper, wrap the excess around the zipper and take the end to the other side and pin in place. Take it to your sewing machine and sew the waistband and the trouser together. When you're done, ensure that you press all your seams and also hem the legs of the trouser, and that is it. You're done with making your trouser.